Have you ever wondered why defenders fall so easily whenever Lionel Messi dribbles? It's not because Lionel Messi do some tricks, but because he uses one simple skills to dribble every defender, which is the body feint. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial on how to do the body feint like the football goat Lionel Messi. Watch this clip carefully. You're going to see that Lionel Messi didn't touch the ball first, but instead he made the defender to commit to the wrong side using his body movements, which gave space for Lionel Messi to move with the ball. The body feint is so efficient because the defender reacts to your body and not the ball. So when you shift your body to one direction, it will make the defender to think you're moving that way, and immediately the defender loses his balance in order to move to that direction you shifted your body. Then you explode with the ball to the opposite direction. The key rule is to sell the feint with your body. So step 1 is the approach. When approaching the defender with the ball, don't run too fast, but instead slow down slightly when you're coming close to the defender. When Lionel Messi is approaching to the defender, you make sure that the ball sticks to his feet, in which makes him to change direction at any time. The key tips in approaching to the defender is to make sure that the ball sticks to your feet and make sure your head is up, and also control your speed. When the ball sticks to your feet, when the ball is too close to your feet, it makes you and gives you the advantage to change direction at any time whenever you feint the defender. And also make sure your head is up in order to see when to change direction and when to body feint the defender. And the third tip is to make sure you control your speed, because if you run too fast, you can't body feint the defender, and it will be easy for the defender to tackle you. And also not too slow, because if you run too slow, the ball might make you to fall down. And also control your speed in the way that the ball moves as you move. So when you body feint the defender, then you accelerate to the opposite direction. This is the most important part. When you approach the defender, you fake your body using your shoulder, your hip, and your upper body. Tips in faking your body is to drop your shoulder, move your body slightly to that direction, and thirdly, pretend as if you're moving to that direction. The important rule is that the bigger the feint, the more the defender is likely to react, which gives you the opportunity to accelerate to the opposite direction. The moment the defender shifts his weight to one direction, accelerate immediately to the opposite direction. Don't hesitate and don't wait and don't think about the next move you're going to do, but instead accelerate immediately with the outside of your foot or inside of the other foot. The key tips in this part is that make sure that you accelerate with the high speed you can, so the defender can't recover and tackle you. The common mistakes players do while trying to dribble with body feint is: number 1, doing the body feint far from the defender. If you do it far from the defender won't react, but instead come close to the defender, then body feint, which will make him to react and then accelerate to the other direction. Even though he reacted when you're far from him, it will be easier for him to recover and tackle you. The second mistake is kicking the ball before you body feint. No, if you kick the ball before you body feint, the defender won't react, but instead intercept the ball and win the ball. But instead, make sure you body feint to one direction and immediately the defender reacts, then you accelerate. Number 3 mistake players do is not accelerating immediately the defender reacts. When you see the defender reacting and moving his weight to one direction, make sure you accelerate to the opposite direction immediately, so the defender won't have the time to recover and win the ball from you. Now I'm going to show you the simple drill for you as a player to learn how to body feint. Step 1, keep a cone as a defender. If you don't have cone, maybe you can use a bag, a bottle, or anything you have. And then move with the ball and make sure the ball is too close to your leg. As you move, any step you take, you touch the ball. Any step you take, touch the ball. Don't move very fast, but instead approach to the defender slowly. And when you approach to the defender, body feint to one direction and then accelerate immediately to the opposite direction. And make sure you repeat this drill 20 times in order for you to master it. And not only 20 times, 20 times each day. Try it maybe 5 times in a week and do more until you master the body feint. Then you can now try it against defenders, real defenders, and also try it in your next game. Now I'm going to show you the pro tips in order to do the body feint efficiently, in which Messi uses to do it and win and also destroy every defender. Number 1, Messi makes sure that the ball is too close to him. If the ball is too far from him, it will be easier for the defender to tackle. But he keeps the ball too close to him so he can change direction at any time. Tip number 2, Lionel Messi watches the defender's hip. He watches the defender's hip to know when the defender is unbalanced and know where to attack. Tip number 3 is Lionel Messi attacks the defender's front foot. When Lionel Messi is approaching to the defender, he attacks the defender to the defender's front foot. If the defender is facing Lionel Messi with his right foot, Lionel Messi goes to the defender's right, and if the defender is facing Lionel Messi with his left foot, Lionel Messi attacks the defender's left. So with these 3 tips, you can beat any defender using this simple skill, the body feint. If you train this skill consistently, you'll be able to beat any defender using the body feint. And remember, this skill is so simple, but if it's done well, it's so efficient, and you'll be so dangerous if you learn it very well, like Lionel Messi. So if you find this tutorial useful, please like this video, share it to your friends so they will know how to do the body feint, and go to the comment section and type the next football skill you want me to do the video tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all next week.